Today in this like vlog style video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I take simple product shots for my e-commerce store on a plain white background, and how you can do it too from the comfort of your own home. Don't get like intimidated by some of this equipment that you see here, because all of this is super easy to replace with just stuff that you have sitting around your own home. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can recreate some pictures that look like this. I'm going to insert them here somewhere. So some photos like this are really simple to do, and I'm going to show you how I do them. Let's get into it. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm the worst vlogger ever. My arm hurts. First thing that you're gonna need is something called a soft light. Oh my god, my pizza blanket! Look at that. So this is a soft light. This is a soft light. These ones are actually, I think, were pretty expensive, but you can go on Amazon. I'll put links in the descriptions if you actually want to buy ones of this quality, and I'll also link some cheaper ones that you can find on Amazon. But if you don't want to purchase anything, you can actually recreate a soft light without any equipment at all. A soft light, all it is it's light coming through a diffuser, and the diffuser in this piece of equipment is this thing right here, which is just a a thin sheet. So if you wanted to replace, if you didn't want to buy this, you could easily recreate this at home with just a window and a white sheet over your window. So if you have a window and you have a white sheet, or you have a white curtain, that can act as the same thing as a diffuser. So when the light comes through, it doesn't emit that harsh light that you see when you take a picture, you know, straight under the sun or straight under the light like this. Like this doesn't have a diffuser, so this is like, I'm really washed out. But if I go in front of this diffuser, you can see it's not as harsh as this light. As you can see here, it's like very, very bright. So the next thing that you are gonna need is a white backdrop. So this office, I just found these like white chairs, literally just a white chair like that. You could use the corner of like a white table. You could go online, you could order like some cheap, like this is like white plastic, which is like really good material for that. Or if you just want to ball out, you could get a full backdrop. You can mess with different textures. So a lot of times when you're shooting jewelry and stuff, sometimes you can just buy like the marble contact paper or stickers and put your jewelry on that and make it look cute. You can buy just like textured paper and stuff and mess with that, and just get as creative as you want. Not rocket science by any means. So I'm going to show you guys my little setup. So all I have here is this diffuser on. I really only need this, so if this was your window, you'd be totally fine. I have my chair here. I'm using a Nikon DSL 5500. Is this blurry? Like nowadays, like iPhones have like pretty decent quality, like you know, whatever looks good to you and whatever you have, whatever resources you have, just use them because it's definitely possible. You want to have the diffuser straight on wherever the product is. So I'm going to take a necklace like this. I'm going to remove this. As you can see with the soft light, it really illuminates it, and what it's doing is it's removing all the shadows because it's getting the light out from underneath it. And we don't want, I mean, if that's the look that you're going for the most part, you don't want like super harsh shadows. If you just want it to be super simple, and then when you take a picture of this with the soft light, I'll just put a screenshot of what that looks like. Then a little trick that I was just messing with today was actually putting a cup of water, and then I was putting the jewelry in front of it. So I'm going to show you a quick snippet of some of the shots that I got with this cup of water. It was actually pretty cool. So yeah, super, super simple. And then when you put like the water behind it, and then you try to lay this like on top of it, like, oop. So I actually just took this leaf out because it looked kind of ugly. So I just shot it like this. I had the little water cup behind it, and the settings on my Nikon DSL, it's probably going to be different for every camera, but this is like a really beginner's basic camera, and I also put the link in the description for that as well. Basically, I just took a few shots of this necklace with water, like wrapped around a cup of water. And my settings on my DSL, my Nikon DSL 5500 to get this image was what was it? ISO was 2500, the shutter speed was 1/500, and the f-stop was f4. I barely even know how to shoot manual. I just really just play with those three things until it makes the picture that I want. I'm going to show you guys real quick. This is what that picture looked like that I just took. And so that's really simple, really pretty, and it's just filling it in the light here with this soft light. But I took out the leaf because the leaf was really just, it looks stupid. I'm gonna get off the floor now. Okay. Whoa! Oh my god. And like super beginner, clearly. So let me know if this works for you, if you guys had any trouble, or what the deal was for your product shots. So that's basically it. That's how I do my product shots. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.